Very good morning to you, all of you. And today we'll discuss video number 54, where I have given the problems 23 to 29, where there is one inverse trigonometry function, only inverse trigonometry function, or algebra with the inverse trigonometry function. I have told you to choose first function, second function. The formula is I let. It is inverse trigonometry function. Now I am taking the problems here. Generally it is algebra, then inverse trigonometry and algebra. Now look at this problem, sine inverse x. It is all these problems are very important for your board examinations. Look at here, sine inverse x. I am taking sine inverse x. It is sine inverse x into 1. First, don't think integration of sine inverse x is 1 by 1 minus x square root over. Okay, it is derivative of sine inverse x is 1 by 1 minus x square root over. Now it is sine inverse x dx, sine inverse x into 1 dx. Now treating sine inverse x as the inverse trigonometry function, that is I, and this 1 is your algebraic function. And the least among inverse trigonometry and algebra, which comes in first position? Sine inverse x. So first integration of second minus derivative of first into integration second, whole integration. Now look at here, sine inverse x. What is a 1 dx integration of dx, that is x, minus derivative of sine inverse x is 1 minus 1 by 1 minus x square root over. Integration of dx is x into this dx. Now look at here. Keep it to first position. X sine inverse x. Why I am telling keeping it to first position? Mind it. When I am checking the papers, many students write like this: sine inverse x square. Okay, it's a very wrong thing. You have to take this one x sine inverse x sine inverse x by 1 minus x square root over. This is in which category? Look at here. This is algebra by linear by quadratic root over, and it is very clear that this derivative of quadratic is minus 2x. So keeping minus 2x in above, so I have to multiply 1 by minus 2. So it is 1 by minus 2 minus 2x by 1 minus x square root over dx. Now it is minus minus, it is plus 1 by 2. What is minus 2x? In place of minus 2x, I am writing it is derivative of 1 minus x square. Now look at here, it is derivative of 1 minus x square. It is root over of 1 minus x square, 1 by 2 minus minus, so it becomes 1 by 2. And we have already read the formula. D box by box root over. Okay, it is d box by box root over. Formula is 2 root box. So in place of this integration, you have to put x sine inverse x plus half. In this place, integration, we know d box by box root over is 2 root box. So I am writing here 2 root box. Sorry, you have to write 2 root box. Then they cancel. Now the answer is what? X sine inverse x plus 1 minus x square root over. Now the next problem 24. Okay, take the screenshot of this. 24, x sine inverse x. Here x is what? Algebra. Sine inverse x is inverse trigonometry. Keeping sine inverse x outside, because it is which function? Sine inverse x is your inverse trigonometry function, and it is your algebra. So which one is the first function? I is in first position. So I am keeping first here sine inverse x. Integration second means integration of x dx minus derivative of first means sine inverse x. Integration second means x dx. Iska whole integration. So I have to keep one bracket here for this bracket. Now it is sine inverse x. What is integration of x dx? It is x square by 2 minus. It is 1 by 1 minus x square root over into x dx, means its integration is x square by 2. So x square by 2 keeping it to first position. X square by 2 sin inverse x minus 1 by 2 x square by what? 1 minus x square root over. Why this is 1 by 2 is constant, so it is x square. And from this step to this step, it is very important. So I am putting one star mark in this step so that you should observe it. Now in the denominator it is what? 1 minus x square root over. So in numerator it is x square, denominator it is x square. So in which way you have to adjust the numerator? It is 1 minus 1 minus x square. 1 minus 1 is 0, minus of minus is plus. So it becomes x square. 1 minus 1 minus x square. So dividing it, it becomes what? X square sin inverse x minus 1 by 2, 1 dx by 1 minus x square root over. That is dx by 1 minus x square root over. Minus minus, it becomes plus 1 by 2. It is what? 1 minus x square by 1 minus x square root over. It is 1 minus x square root over dx. And this is x square by 2 sin inverse x minus 1 by 2. And we know the result of dx by 1 minus x square x is what? Sin inverse x. That is 1 by 2 sin inverse x plus 1 by 2. And so I am taking this as I. What is I? 1 minus x square root over dx. This part I am taking it I. And I will give one formula for I. Then it will continue. Okay. Now after this step, x square by 2 sin inverse x minus 1 by 2 sin inverse x plus 1 by 2 I. What is I? I is 1 minus x square root over. We have a formula. What is that? A square minus x square root over dx is x by 2 a square minus x square root over plus a square by 2 sin inverse x square. This formula I will explain after my 29 problems. After solving 29 problems, I will tell you 5 formulas. In that 5 formula, I will explain you how it comes. First you know and write 1 minus x square root over dx is dx by 2 a square minus x square root over plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. Now here it is what? 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square is what? 1 by 2. So I am writing 1 by 2. Sorry. In place of a square I am writing 1. So here what is the answer? X by 2. X by 2. A square minus x square. As a square is 1. So I am writing 1 minus x square root over plus a square by 2, that is 1 by 2 sin inverse x by a. Since a is 1, it is 1 by 2 sin inverse x plus c. Now the result is x square by 2. Final result is x square by 2 sin inverse x plus, here I am taking this x by 4 1 minus x square root over. Then look at here, 1 by 2 sin inverse x plus 1 by 4 sin inverse x. 1 by 2 is what? 2 by 4 sin inverse x. Here 1 by 4 sin inverse. So minus 2 by 4 plus 1 by 4. It becomes minus 1 by 4 sin inverse x plus c. I am telling you repeatedly that this formula I will explain after my 29th problem. Okay. Look at this problem number 26. It is x tan inverse x. X is algebra, tan inverse x is inverse trigonometry. And according to my formula, I is the first function. So tan inverse x is the first function. And my formula is first integration second, derivative of first integration second. The whole integration means first tan inverse x, integration second means x dx, derivative of tan inverse x, integration of x dx. Now it is tan inverse x, it is x square by 2 minus it is 1 by 1 plus x square into x square by 2 dx. Now 1 by 2 x square tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 x square by x square plus 1 dx. Now 1 by 2 x square tan inverse x 1 by 2 and keeping this x square as x square plus 1 minus 1 by x square plus 1 dx. It is x square by 2 tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 is what? Dx. And minus half minus 1, it is 1 by 2 dx by x square plus 1. I am writing it 1 plus x square. Now look at here, it is x square by 2 tan inverse x minus what is integration dx? It is x minus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2. This is the dx by 1 plus x integration. It is derivative of 1 by 1 plus x square, derivative of tan inverse x. So it is 1 by 2 tan inverse x plus c. Okay. Number 25 is similar to 23. So you have to do by yourself. If you understand it 23, you can do 25. Now don't think the 24 and 26 they are similar. In sin inverse x there is 1 by 1 minus x square root over in this place. So I am doing this problem for you again because these two are different. Also these two problems are different. How I will show it how it is different. Okay. Now look at problem number 27. What is problem number 27? It is x square. In place of x, it is written x square and it is tan inverse x. So I am writing tan inverse x, integration x square, derivative tan inverse x, integration of x square. Now it is integration of x square is x3 by 3 and derivative is 1 by 1 minus x square, integration is x3 by 3. Then what will happen? And you should take it is x3 and this is 3. Now x cube tan inverse x by 3 and 1 by 3 will come outside. Now it becomes x power what? X power 3 by x square plus 1. Then what you have to do here, it is very important. This step is important. I am doing it for you. Look at here. Now the power of numerator is what? X3 and the power of denominator is what? X square. First you have to divide it by x square plus 1. X cube by x square, it is x. Now the result is x cube plus what? X. Okay, when you minus it, you cancel, it becomes what? Minus x. Now the result is 1 by 3 integration x plus minus x by x square plus 1 minus x by x square plus 1, it is dx. Then what you have to do? 1 by 3 integration x dx minus 1 by 3. This is minus, this is minus, this is plus x dx by x square plus 1. And it is very comfortable for you. What is it is quadratic, it is linear. क्वाड्रेटिक का डेरिवेटिव लीनियर होता है. सो इसलिए क्या करना चाहिए? सो हियर इट इज 3 फॉर यू. दैट लुक एट हियर माइनस माइनस. सो आई एम डूइंग इट प्लस 1 by 3 x dx by x square plus 1. So derivative of denominator is 2x. So multiply 2 here and multiply 2. It is 1 by 3. It is x square by 2 plus 1 by 6. This 2x by 1 plus x square. It is what? ln. Because the derivative of denominator. If derivative of denominator in numerator, then the result is linear. Sorry, ln denominator plus c. Since d जितना by जितना उसका डेरिवेटिव उतना रहना चाहिए. So its integration is what? ln box plus c. Now look at here. This is your solution of question number 27. It is ln x plus x square. Now it is I am doing 28 sec inverse x. Sec inverse x into 1 as usual. It is inverse unit. It is algebra. First integration, second means integration of 1. Derivative of first means derivative of second inverse x. Integration of 1 means 1 dx dx. Now it is what? Integration of 1 dx is x. It is sec inverse x into x minus What is derivative of sec inverse x? 1 by x into root over of x square minus 1 into what is integration of 1 dx, that is x. Now they cancel, it becomes dx by x square minus 1 root over, and the formula you know, it is dx by x square minus a square root over. You have to remember, it is ln x plus x square minus a square root over. Now in place of a square I am writing 1. It is ln x plus x square minus 1 root over. I have told you at that time there are 7 formulas. There are 7 sisters. 7 sisters out of which 3 gives you sine inverse, tan inverse and sec inverse. Rest 4, and 3 are arranged marriage and 4 are in love marriage. This is love marriage. ln since root over root if root then put means 1 by a नहीं रहेगा कि 1 by 2a भी नहीं रहेगा. रहेगा क्या? कुछ नहीं रहेगा यहाँ. 1 by a नहीं कि 1 by 2 नहीं. It is ln x plus x square minus a square root over. You should go through that formula which is on my chapter 4 video. Okay. Look at problem number 29. It is x cosec inverse x integration. What you have to do here? It is first function is what? Cosec inverse x. Second function is what? X. Then what you have to do? First integration, second minus derivative of cosec inverse x into integration of x dx. This is my first function and this is my second function. Now accordingly I do it. It is a cosec inverse x into what? Sorry, everywhere I am writing it. Now look at here. X cosec inverse x and integration of x is what? X square by 2. So you have to keep x square by 2 in the first position. Then what will happen? Tell me. Minus derivative of cosec inverse x. It is minus 1 by x into x square minus 1 root over. And integration of x dx is what? X square by 2. Now here x, here 1x cancel, so it remains 1x is there. So it becomes minus, it becomes what? It becomes plus, and here it is what? X dx by 1 by 2 will come outside. 1 by 2 will come outside. It becomes x dx by x square minus 1 root over. Okay. Now I have done some mistakes, so I rectify it. 1 by 2 minus plus 1 by 2 come outside. It is x dx by what? X square minus 1 root over. So the derivative of 1 by 2 coming outside. It is x dx by x square minus 1 root over, and the derivative of x square minus 1 is what? 2x. So it must be in numerator. So I am multiplying 2 here. Then what I have to do? Divide 2 there. It becomes 1 by 4, and 2x dx is derivative of x square minus 1. It is x square minus 1 root over. Now x square by 2 cosec inverse x plus 1 by 4. It is derivative of x square minus 1 and root over of x square minus 1. And you know we have a formula d box by box root over is 2 root box. It is 2 root box, 2 root over of x square minus 1, 2 root over of x square minus 1. They cancel, it becomes 2. So it is x square by 2 cosec inverse x square by 2 cosec inverse x. Answer is x square by 2 cosec inverse x plus 1 by 2 x square minus 1 root over plus 3. Okay. Now take the screenshot of this problem 29 because I have done some mistakes because sec inverse x and x cosec inverse x, I am erasing sec inverse x and putting cosec inverse x. That's why some mistakes there. Now it is finally you have to take the screenshot and write it in your copy. There are 5 important formulas, and I am giving you how the method how you can remember it. First, e to the power x cos bx plus c, e to the power x sin bx plus. In both cases, e to the power, the integration result is e to the power x, keeping the numerator position. First, take e to the power x, divide a square plus b square, divide a square plus b square here and here. Then what you have to do, take this a cos bx plus, similarly take this a sin bx plus. Now if it is a, then it is b. Take b, if it is a, then it is b. B into what? The integration result. Cos, the integration of cos is what? Plus sine. So take b sin bx plus a. The integration of cos bx plus c is 1 by b sin bx plus a. But I am not taking that 1 by b. Just I am multiplying b sin bx plus c. And for e to the power ax, similarly, e to the power ax by a square plus b square. Taking this a, it is a sin bx plus c. And if it is a, then it should be b, that b cos minus b cos. Why minus? Because the integration for sine, it is minus cos. So minus cos bx plus c. Now by this method you have to remember this formula, because it is very important for the exam point of view. Number 3, x square plus a square, x square minus a square minus x square. Looking there, very similarity is there. You can remember within 1 to 2 minutes if you look it properly. Here everywhere you have to write first the variable x by 2 into what is there, x square plus a square root over. X by 2, what is there, x square minus a square root over. Then it is x by 2, what is this, it is a square minus x square root over. So पहला position क्या हुआ, x by 2, what is there in inside integration, you have to write only the thing. Next, in the there are 3 signs, here plus, here minus, here plus. So many problem is there. What you have to remember, 2 plus 1 minus, and there is one method. Look at there. I am telling you how you can remember it. Now look at that. Here x by 2, here a square by 2. पहले variable आया, उसका बाद constant आया. So x by 2 into this, it is a square by 2, a square by 2, a square by 2, a square by 2. I will tell the sign after some time. Now, what is the integration formula of dx by x square plus a square root over? You know it. It is ln x plus x square plus a square. So you have to write a square by 2 ln x plus x square plus a square root over. What is integration of dx by x square minus a square root over? It is also ln x plus x square minus a square. There, look at that. I am writing s. It is a square by 2 ln this. It is minus a square by 2 ln this. Plus c plus c. Now you know what is the integration formula of dx by a square minus x square root over. It is sine inverse x by a. So I am writing here a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. Look at here. A square minus x square, it is plus sine inverse x by a. Among these, one is positive and one is negative. Now you can remember. For positive, I am giving positive sign. For this negative, it is negative sign. Remember it again. There are two ln. Ln x plus this, ln x plus this. Here, for positive, you have to put positive. For negative, you have to put negative sign. And for this, you have to put, for sine inverse, you have to put the plus sign. Mark this. These five formulas are very, very important for exam point of view. You have to remember it. Okay. Now I am explaining. I will explain you two formulas. 1 and 3. But 1, 3, 5. I will do 1, 3, 5. You have to do by yourself. 2, 4. Okay. Now e to the power a x cos bx plus c. Here b, c, a are three constants. Only variable is x. So x dx. So I let this is e exponential function. It is trigonometry. Now they are making friend with each other. But for by parts, we will take the first question. Naturally trigonometry. So trigonometry first, integration second, means e to the power x dx. Derivative first into integration of second. Now it is cos bx plus c. It is e to the power x ka integration e to the power x by a, and derivative of cos bx plus c, it is minus sin bx plus c into derivative of bx plus c is b. So minus sin bx plus c into b, and integration e to the power ax, it is e to the power x by a dx. Now what will come outside? Now look at here. 1 by a, no integration is there. I am keeping 1 by a outside, 1 by a in the front position, first position, then e to the power x cos bx plus c. Minus minus, it is plus. It is b, it is a. B by a will come outside because it is constant. Now integration of sin bx plus c e to the power x dx. Now first I have take the integration e to the power x cos bx plus c. Now it is coming e to the power x sin bx plus c. This is very interesting. Then you have to integrate it again by taking trigonometry as first function and exponential as second function. So its rule, integration rule is b by a keeping outside, first sin bx plus c, integration second, minus derivative of sin bx plus c into integration of e to the power x dx. Now writing this is in this form, plus b by a. Now take this bracket, it is sin bx plus c, integration of e to the power x is e to the power x by a, minus sin bx plus c का derivative कितना है, cos bx plus c into derivative of bx plus c, that is b. So cos bx plus c into b, and integration of e to the power ax is e to the power x by a. Now when I will expand it, it becomes b by a sin bx. I am opening it, multiplying b by a to this term and this term. It is b by a. It is b by a square e to the power x sin bx plus a, and it is minus plus. It is minus. It is b by a. It is b by a. It is b square by a square e to the power x cos bx plus a. Now look at here. My question is e to the power x cos bx plus a. Here it is cos x e to the power x cos bx plus c. So again the integration is coming to this place. Here I am taking I. So in this place I have to take I. There is one film called as the Mummy Returns, and here the integration returns. Here it is I. It is I. So I am taking this I, and I will do on that space. Okay. Now look at here. Now I am going from this step to that. In place of I, can I not write 1 into I? No problem. Now e to the power ax by a, I am writing 1 by a e to the power 1 by a e to the power x cos bx plus c. 1 by a e to the power x cos bx plus c. And in place of b by a square e to the power ax sin bx plus c, I am keeping it as it is. B by a square e to the power x sin bx plus c, minus b square by a square. B square by a square. Look at what am I doing here. In this step, and I am taking this as my I, because this is my question. The question, this is the question. I am taking it as I. So in place of e to the power x cos bx plus c, I will put that I. Here this is I. This is when it is coming down. It is I. Now I is 1 into I, and there it is b square minus a square into I. When they will come to one side, this will come to left side. It becomes what? 1 plus b square by a square into I. Now it is e to the power x by a cos bx plus c plus b by a square e to the power cos e to the power x sin bx plus. I am repeatedly telling it to you. It is b square by a square into I. B square by a square into I. Here I am writing this I as 1 into I and taking this I in one side. It becomes 1 plus b square by a square into I. And it is e to the power x by a cos bx plus c, b by a square e to the power x sin bx plus c. And take LCM, it is a square plus b square by a square into I. E to the power x. I am taking this as a square. If I will take common e to the power x, because e to the power x is here, e to the power x is here, I am taking e to the power x. Okay, and a square, I am taking a square. If I am taking a square, then a will multiply to this position. So a cos bx plus c plus b sin bx plus c. Now a square cancel. I is what? E to the power x by a square plus b square. It is a cos bx plus c plus b sin bx plus c. And you have to write a constant. Don't write it c, write it as k, because c is there. And so it becomes what? I e to the power x cos bx plus c integration. It is what I means what? E to the power x cos bx plus c integration is e to the power x by a square plus b square into a cos bx plus c plus b sin bx plus c. Now I x square plus a square root over. I have told you in my video number 53 that when two algebra, I am writing here x square plus a square root over into 1. When both are algebraic, and in every case, 1 should be your second function. So here algebra, and we know 1 will be the second position. So first x square plus a square integration of 1 dx minus derivative of x square plus a square root over into integration of 1 dx is the whole integration. Now it is what? Now x square plus a square root over 1 dx derivative of x square plus a square root over integration of 1 dx is the whole integration. So its integration is x. It is x square plus a square root over. X square plus a square root over is 1 by 2 root over of x square plus a square into derivative of x square plus a square is 2x, and 1 dx integration it is x. Now it is dx. Now x into x square plus a square root over x into x is x square by x square plus a square root over into dx. Now x root over of x square plus a square here. And since looking to denominator, it is x square plus a square. So numerator must adjust like this: x square plus a square minus a square. Okay. Then divide x square plus a square by x square plus a square root over. It becomes x square plus a square root over. Writing this as I. On the next step, from this step, y is going here. X into x square plus a square root over here. And when it divides the x square here, and for minus it is what? It is plus what? A square into dx, a square keeping outside, dx by x square plus a square root over. Okay, now x into x square plus a square root over, and it is I plus a square ln x plus x square plus a square root over. It is now when I will come to the position left to it, it becomes 2i, and all are remaining in its position. I is what? Dividing by 2, x by 2, x square plus a square root over, plus a square by 2 ln x plus x square plus a square root over. In place of I can write x square plus a square root over, and the answer is this. You can verify it. Now you will do x square minus a square. It is exactly same method. No difference will be there. Now I am going to explain you the fifth formula, that is a square minus x square root over. Now a square minus x square root over, a square minus x square root over into 1. It is your first function. I am telling 1 always the second function. First integration of 1 dx, derivative of first a square minus x square, integration of 1 dx means a square minus x square root over integration of 1 dx, it is x minus what is derivative of a square minus x square root over, that is 1 by 2 root over of a square minus x square into derivative of a square minus x square, it is minus 2x into integration of 1 is x, it is dx. X is coming to this position, x into a square minus x square root over plus it is x into x square minus minus plus x square by a square minus x square root over. Looking to denominator, it is power x square, it is also x square. How you have to adjust the numerator? By looking to denominator, it is the adjustment. But a square minus x square, a square cancel, minus minus plus x square. Now divide this by this by this. X a square minus x square root over. This is your I. I am taking that I to that position. I is there. X a square minus x square root over plus a square by this. A square by a square minus x square root over. So it is dx by a square minus x square root over minus plus. It is minus a square minus x square by a square minus x square root over. It is a square minus x square root over dx. I is equal to x into a square minus x square root over plus a square, and this is the formula of sin inverse x by a minus this is I. When I will come to this position, left side it becomes 2i. 2i is this and I is x by 2, a square minus x square root over plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a, and you have to write I as a square minus x square root over, that is x by 2 plus a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a plus c. And in my next video I will tell some problems about this 5 formula, and there is very interesting formula is there, that is solve without solving method, that is integrate without integration. I will tell a very interesting formula on my last video of this chapter.